Peekaboo. What are you doing? You're so goofy. You eating lunch? They have Teddy Grahams and lima beans and hot dogs. Peekaboo. Where's Conrad? Where is he? There he is. Oh my goodness. There he is. You're a monkey? Oh my goodness, where's Conrad? I can't find him anywhere. Where's Conrad? Conrad. Conrad. Hi. Hi. Hey, Peekaboo. Bye. I'm not going anywhere. I'm just playing.
Bow.
Say bye. Hey, Peekaboo. Conrad, look. Conrad. You can eat that. Thank you. That's nice for you to share. Conrad, can you blow me a kiss? Mwah. Mwah. You can't blow me a kiss?
Do you want me to go with you today or what?
It's up to you. Doesn't matter. Mwah. Blow me kisses. Mwah. Or just kiss your own hand. You could just kiss yourself. That's fine. What are you doing? You're not going to blow mommy a kiss? Mwah. Thank you.
I'll leave her by 2:30
No, I just got to pick Alexis up at her normal time.
at 3, and then you have to go.
Yeah. We're coming home first, though.
Oh, we are?
Yeah.
Because of the cats?
Well, that, and I got to get her ready.
Oh, okay. Well, why don't I wait till you come home?
Okay.
All right.
More hot dog.
Then I can get myself together.
Say more hot dog, please. Hot dog. Can you say bye?
Bye.
Say bye-bye. Conrad, bye-bye.
Oh.
Oh. Bye. Bye-bye. Say love you.
Bye.
Bye. Love you. Say see you later. See you later.
Bye. Bye. Bye.
Dada?
Eat it.
Yeah, that's
No.
Dada? Where's Dada? Conrad? Where's Daddy? Where's Dada? Where's CJ? Where's Conrad?
Was your sandwich good?
Hi! Yeah, it's okay.
That sandwich is good, right?
Hi, CJ! Peekaboo!
Bye.
Boo! Oh yeah? What are you doing? Is it all gone?
I will go.
All gone.
No. Hey.
Yeah, those are your goldfish. I mean, your teddy bears.
No.
Yum, 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 yum. Is that for me, Ma?
He's playing peekaboo with it.
Where's Peekaboo? Where's Peekaboo? Peekaboo. Let me, Ma, see you. Okay.
Say bye-bye.
Bye.
Bye-bye. Say bye-bye. Say see you later. Conrad, see you later.